What we work on in terms of connecting the dots for our clients is really drawing that line from the assessment and the capabilities that the individual has to the ultimate measure that our clients are interested in. And we do that on a step-by-step basis by breaking down a complicated problem into a problem that's has smaller, easier to solve component parts. So in other words, we look at it all the way from competencies to financial impact and break it down into from competencies to behavior, from behavior to outcomes of behavior, and from those outcomes of behavior to the financial results of those outcomes. And it's a step-by-step process. We take a large problem, break it down, make things explicit, and by doing that, you can understand the underlying mechanisms better. What we're trying to really do is take something that is abstract and vague in most people's estimation, which is this link, and make it concrete using the Logiserve engine as a way to develop a measurable quantity that identifies service and sales capabilities, taking the competency framework and the scores that Logiserve develops and extending those, looking at the relationship between those scores and the critical outcomes that are important to our clients, and developing models that shows how those outcomes change depending on the scores and the types of individuals that you hire, so that you can get an understanding of how your hiring decisions and your decisions about how you screen individuals into the organization impacts things like revenues and sales and other financials that are critical to the company's success.